Okay, this video I'm gonna call it what if Macau was New Orleans? Or what if Macau did a French Quarter like New Orleans? New Orleans? Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. New Orleans, New Orleans. And what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna show a little bit of these alleys, but I guess one of the big exceptions would be this kind of cool. There's a Chinese temple, then a little Chinese thing right here. But we're gonna be focusing on this whole area and all these little alleys. And I love filming in here. You've probably seen me film in here before, and I'm gonna film in here again with this theme this time. So sometimes I have different things to talk about, but this one is like, what if they made this into a tourist area, like a French Quarter in New Orleans? So what if they did that? And then just take a look at some of the detail here. And like, look at, you got these street lights up there. You can see that street light up there. And then all the detail, right? So like, you could have this be like these little alleys. You could put, if it's New Orleans, maybe they'd be like little places to drink beer, maybe, you know? But it could be almost anything really, like just all kinds of shops. But you have this beautiful setting, so you could, and actually, what these actually are houses. So these are actually privately owned. And it's actually in these little shrines too. So the shrines, and you can hear TVs, and you can see people are actually living there. But some of these are restaurants. But actually this whole thing could be turned into like a little New Orleans, right? Like, it wouldn't take much. All it takes is money. And if somebody, you know, created it to be as such. And you got these little alleys too. Down that place is called OTT. That's called Old Type of Tavern. So we're going to, you can kind of see it down there, but we're just going to film some of these other businesses here instead. Portugal. So we could walk down that way. That's Old Type of Tavern. Should we? Maybe we will. So we're just going to walk down here. Hello. So straight ahead is Old Type of Tavern, so we're just going to walk by with a camera. But actually some of this stuff, Toca, Portuguese cuisine. So basically some of this stuff already is going that direction. Like, this looks like something could be from New Orleans real easy, right? You got a nice balcony. And actually from down below you can see that. Let me just see. This goes into a courtyard. Yeah, you can see the people up there, right? So this balcony looks like something you could see in New Orleans pretty easily. There's actually a family up there. And then we have this. This is Old Type of Tavern. So we'll just capture the sign real quick here. Old Type of Tavern right there. So you can sit and drink here all day if you want. Get some music. That might monetize my video. Beautiful song. This is called OTT. You got craft beers, great owner, great feeling about it. So here's back into the little alleys again. See, actually all this stuff could be turned into this one big giant tourist area. Actually, I think I like it the way it is, actually, now that I really think about it. It feels like there's so much potential here. But actually the problem with that would be that if it changed, it would be really crowded, for one. Insanely crowded. It'd be like New Orleans, where you're struggling to walk around people. So, okay, here's a Harley Davidson shop. And we'll just see more alleys. I think we're just gonna stick around, kind of hug the corner a little bit. And then we're gonna get right into the alleys again. Cockroach. I think I had that on film. There's a Portuguese, there's a Thai restaurant and a Mexican / Portuguese restaurant. I have filmed in here before. These beautiful banyan trees. I haven't filmed in here in a while, but I used to come down and film and check and see, kind of show on film. But I think I have a different audience now. Different people come and view. But in here, you'll see this little broom right here. So they'll put stuff in the trees like that, and then sometimes they'll put like helmets and things up in here sometimes. Another broom. And sometimes I'll see like motorcycle helmets because there's bikes here. And sometimes you'll see cigarette packs like this one. I don't know why they throw the garbage in like that in a beautiful tree like that, but for the most part it's generally clean. And we're gonna go back into this little alleys again with that same theme. But yeah, this opens up to a little plaza, and this one right here, you can see like all the potential, right? And these are apartments here. But yeah, people actually live in here. But you also have what could be this amazing little area with, I guess it's good just the way it is. This is another house. Look at that detail on the door. Let's see, maybe I'll go this way. Okay. Yeah, we got some beautiful artwork. Bella Typa. Yep. Yeah, I think you've all seen me filming here before. This is Typa Village art space, and they'll have different stuff. So, oh, okay. Huh. He's a really good artist, actually. This is some of his work. Let me see. He's right there. Oops. Can I just film?
We are an exhibition.
Exhibition?
Yes.
Okay.
You can go here to visit.
Okay, maybe I'll come back later.
Sure.
Actually, maybe. Oh, let me see. I'll turn this on. Okay, so we're going to check out this artist, and here's some of his artwork right here. So, Hui Rasquinho. That's a little bit about his work. And actually, I know him. I've met him before, so.
Ah.
But okay, so let's take a look at some of his work. So he's he lives here in Macau. He's lived here for 30, 40 years, I think. I think he's originally, for some information about him. So he is illustrator. So he's actually illustrated stuff for different organizations, including the Script Road. There's some of his oh, that's pretty cool. Show a little bit of the detail here. Yeah, actually, okay. Let's see. Pretty cool little space here. Thank you. Okay, let's just take a look. Okay. There we go. My wandering soul has strayed away, long past recall, yet a single cockcrow. The sky will turn white. A young man's heart should strive to reach the very clouds who needs a man who sits in whales out in the cold. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. This one. Yeah, we're gonna end this video. The camera's overheating, but basically, yeah. What if this was New Orleans and you got to see a little bit of a little artist, local artist, Hui from Portugal, who's lived here for a long time, and but basically I just kind of want to show you around this neighborhood a little bit. And there's lots of other videos. So if you search for Typa Village, you'll see lots of stuff that I already have of this one, and so this is one to kind of add to that with a specific theme. So we'll just end it right there. We'll end it right there with that shot right there.